Today we're taking another look at the Decentraland coin Mana, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Mana go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the Mana chart, guys. If you're looking to buy Mana or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. Now, things aren't looking great for Mana over the past few days. We have dropped out of our long-term uptrend, and unfortunately, there isn't too much support below us. So what does that mean? Well, it means we've only got one major support point before we're going to start dropping really below where we have been previously, and that is because, as you can see, if we zoom out on the chart, there's not been much action from, I suppose, this point around here, about $2.24, all the way down to, I'd suggest, probably about here at the $1.40 mark. So hopefully we see this bounce occur and stay in place and a movement back upwards now, because otherwise we are potentially seeing this 200-day moving average $1.69, $1.70 roughly at this point in time. Not looking too good, so we really want to see it hold up. The only, I suppose, thing that I can see right now that is looking alright is you're not seeing a large dump of the coin. This sell-off has been driven by a very small amount of volume. So overall, it looks like most people are just holding onto this coin as opposed to selling it. So for the long term, that will be good. Now let's take a look at a few more indicators. RSI, that will start to be dipping as the price is dipping now. It is heading towards that oversold mark. It's sitting currently at 36.91. If it dips below 30, that is oversold. So plenty of room for this coin to make an upwards move and make quite a significant upwards move. I'd suggest it is possible to make one big move, similar to like what we saw here, and we go well back above this $3.82 mark, but we need the strength to come back, the volume to come back. It has been reducing consistently over the past few months. So overall, not looking, I suppose, too shabby on the RSI, but it is time to see, I suppose, a bit of a recovery in that sense as well. MACD, let's quickly have a look at that. As you can see, unfortunately, it looked like that red period was about to end, but then it did continue, and the 12-day EMA is moving further away from the 26-day EMA. So I think we're in for a period of at least a few more red days in the near future. Hopefully though, the red days that we do see will be tracking along this line here. We don't want to see that support point broken. That would be best case scenario for us right now. If we wanted to put in another, I suppose, horizontal point of resistance for us moving probably into, I'd suggest, the near future, you'd probably be putting it about there, $3.11. When that broke, that's really when we drop down. So I'd expect the trading that we're going to see is going to be hopefully in a sideways direction here, consolidating before we can have another move in an upwards direction at some stage. That wraps up our analysis on Mana today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it down in the comments section below. Of course, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and if you did enjoy today's analysis, make sure you like the video as well. I'll leave it there for today, guys. Hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.